So if you're looking for a beginner friendly tutorial on how to make twist braids, this is the right video for you. If you bought the Marley extension and you're wondering how can you use it to twist, this is also the right video for you. This video is very beginner friendly. I'll be giving you details on how to make twist as a beginner. So if you're a beginner, grab your seat, sit down, let's go through this together. So on this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Marley braids. The Marley braids is very easy for beginners to make twist. So what I'm having on my hand now is a single strand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share one side of the strand into two. That will make it 3 in total. So we've gotten 3. Just nicely share one side into 2. That will just make it 3. I'm going to explain to you the reason why we're actually doing it that way. So what you're going to do is to share your natural hair. When you're using your fingers to grip the natural hair, you use your fingers to share your natural hair into 3, just like the extension. So each one part of your natural hair is going to be on each extension. Just watch my fingers. I'm not very good at explaining, but if you watch my fingers, you're going to know what I'm talking about. You're going to understand every bit of what I'm talking about. So you're going to braid your hair, like you're going to braid it in like 3 times, braid 3 or 4, and then you twist. So what I'm twisting the 2 tiny one that I shed in 2. That's what I twist together. So pay attention to that. Make sure that you are not twisting one of the tiny one you shed in 2 and one of the full big one. What you're doing, you are twisting the one that you shed in 2 that became 2. Now you're going to make it 1 again. So that means you're having the same size of extension in both sides. So the reason why we do that, if you have the same size of extension in both sides, it makes your twist very, very nice. Even if you are a beginner, it will hardly show. Just pay attention to this next one I'm going to grip right now from the root. And also, if you don't know how to grip braid from the root, or you don't know how to braid at all, you want to learn, I have a video which I'll be linking on the description section or on the screen, which you can just click and watch after watching this. That video is really going to help you if you've never braided before, you don't even know how to grip braid from the root. That video is going to help you. So just watch carefully what I'm doing. Pay attention to my fingers. You're going to understand it. And another good reason why I like Marley extension for beginners is because Marley extension is very easy to twist, unlike expression. If you're using expression, you're going to put a lot more grip on the twist while you twist downward. But with Marley extension, you are actually put a minimum grip. Depends on how you actually want the twist to look like. But provided you are having the same size of strand on the both sides, your twist is going to come out beautiful. So just pay attention to the next one I'm going to grip right now. Put your finger in between it to divide your natural hair into 3. Then you are also sharing those hair into the extension you've divided in 3 already. So while you braid a little bit upward, depends on how much braid you want to put at the bottom, then make sure when the one that I shed into 2 are close to each other, then you twist them. Twist nicely, like tightly from that first time. You twist it nicely and then start twisting downward. So after the first twist, you can release your hand to twist it the way you want. But from the bottom, after the braid at the bottom, make sure you twist the both tiny one nicely tight. And mind you, the hair I'm actually twisting right now is a natural hair. She has never put relaxer on her hair before. And with Marley extension, it's very, very good for natural hair, just in case you want to twist, or just in case you want to braid or twist natural hair. The Marley hair is very, very good with natural hair. You could hardly find the natural hair on the extension. It will just hide everything, because you can see the extension, it looks more like a natural hair. So just pay attention to what I'm doing anyways. So guys, if you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please support me by hitting on the subscribe button, press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. So you twist that two together nicely tight. You can see the way I twist it, and then you start twisting downward. So when you are twisting downward, you can release your hand not to be too tight. But if you are using expression, it will have to be tight from the start to the end. So that's the good thing about the Marley extension. It's very, very good for beginner. So if you are learning, if you want to learn how to make a nice twist, just make sure, try to use an extension that looks like the Marley extension. It will help you a lot. So guys, look at how the twist is looking. It looks very, very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and we do a lot of hair tutorials on this channel, unboxing as well, a lot of good stuff. Please don't hesitate to join the family. Have a nice day. Bye.